So we have our famous Playboy bunny back in restoration.
Right, so we had some issues with the paint. There was some quick flash and a whole bunch of issues. We think there was something under the paint that bled through and caused some paint things, so we brought it back in. We did 4 or 5 test samples on it to see what process we have to do to go back and fix it.
The whole thing? Redo the
So
whole
we're doing the fuselage. The wings were fine. We didn't have a problem with them, but we had a problem with the fuselage itself. So we did the samples, and everything up to the intakes has been repainted. So we think we got it. We haven't had the flash. It's been a couple weeks, so we think we took care of the issues. The only thing we have left is from the intake forward, from the canopy up to the nose, and then it will be ready to go back in.
So it won't take long, but it won't be out by next open cockpit?
Oh, it'll be out by then. It'll be out within 2 weeks. And so we have a hanger hound. This is Diogi. He checks out all the planes. So what we have is, it will be done in the next week or two, but we received a call from, ours is VX4. VX4 and VX5 kind of merged and made VX9. Wow. So the new commander has his plane, which is an F-18 Hornet, Super Hornet, and he wants to take a picture with our plane. So he's going to fly into Castle Airport. We're going to tug our plane out there. We're going to do a photo shoot with his plane and our plane. And then as soon as we're done, we're going to take it back out to display.
Oh, wow.
So, and that's supposed to be August 8th, 10th, somewhere around there. We just have to coordinate with him. So it will be done in a week or so, and then it's just going to sit here until it goes to its photo shoot.
Wow, that's
so
awesome.
The princess gets, is going to have a cool photo, and it'll be a photo that will never ever be taken again.
Right, because you'll never get them all
Correct.
Together. I love it. Did people get to come to that or not really?
Yeah, so once we get a date, we'll put it out on social media, let everybody know, because it's going to be a very cool seeing just the 2 planes together. So our chairman, General Garrison, will go ahead and he's coordinating all that with, I believe it's a colonel, I'm not sure of his name. But so that's kind of a cool thing for us.
I love it. That's awesome. It's so much work as people can imagine to get them side by side. Takes a lot of manpower.
A lot of manpower, and luckily we are so close to the airport, and we do have a 40-foot gate that we can get through. But once it's out on display, it'll probably never go back out this way because it's going to go into the pavilion as soon as the pavilion's done. So it will never see the light of day after that. So that's kind of cool.
So yes, come check this out on Open Cockpit Day.